What's up, everybody? Got a real quick unboxing today. This just came in from it says, oh, it's a Mighty Music mailer, but it is from Rolling Rex, and super excited because it's a couple albums. One of them is a repurchase. I had it before, but I gifted it to someone who was just starting out their record collection. And another one is I would see it, but I was like, I don't know. I was never really ready I always wanted it, but I didn't know if I wanted to pay that much. It really wasn't a lot. And it was there last Friday, so I ordered it. All right, let's open this up. We're gonna try it. It's got the, let's see. One pull. All right, that wasn't too difficult. These are from Rolling Rex. I love it. If I don't get a free sticker with whoever I order from, I'm really disappointed. There's the first one, folks. Mazzy Star. So Tonight That I Might See. And the second one, this is so Mazzy Star is the one that I had gifted before. And the second one, this is classic. Alright guys, just wanted to drop that really quick. Hey man, if you like this stuff, leave a message. Tell me what you bought this week. Comment, subscribe, tell a friend. Talk to you soon. Bye.